Some passion to go out every night. I like to go out every night.
We are going to start the event. All students are requested to gather near the stage.
Present here.
Silicon Institute of Technology, in 14 years since its inception, has become a major pillar in the architectural plan of technical education, extending its reach within Odisha to impart quality education.
Starting as Silicon School of Information Technology with a handful of students enrolled for Masters in Computer Application program, our institute is now known for its quality in education, discipline, and nurturing the potential of every Siliconite.
We are among the very few institutions that provide quality professionals. Silicon today boasts for its two beautiful campuses and thousands of students outshining in academics as well as placements.
Honestly, even if we try as hard as we possibly can, we can never express our gratitude in words. Thus, without any further delay, we shall begin by saluting our own college, Silicon Institute of Technology. Zygon is the annual cultural festival of Silicon.
It's a celebration of vibrance, variety, and values that are ensconced deeply in the hearts of every Siliconite.
Just like the Prayag, which is the sacred union of Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, where the Kumbh Mela is organized, Zygon is organized around the confluence of energy, entertainment, and talent. And, lucky for us, unlike the Kumbh Mela, Zygon is conducted every year.
It's an exhilarating event that goes on for 3 action-packed days. In these 3 evenings, you will see our Siliconites groove with the tunes.
There will be drama, emotion, and excitement. Not only this, all the people who so deservingly won the competitions held over the year in our campus shall be rewarded for their efforts during Zygon.
All in all, what we want to say is, it's going to be an historic event.
I'm Shivangi Ranjan.
And I'm Abhishek Patnaik. Cordially welcome you all to this grand function. Welcome to all the dignitaries, respectable faculties, staffs, students, and all others present tonight.
We hope you can withstand the deluge of excitement that this amalgamation of Zygon and Noises is prepared to deliver.
As the day full of nerve-wracking competitions of noises comes to an end, we are set to give you with the awe-inspiring performances of Zygon.
An event of such immense proportion would not be possible without the due guidance of our esteemed members of the intelligentsia present here today. It is not only our pleasure but an honor to welcome such esteemed guests.
Now, we will present you with the welcome song.
Professor Dr. R.K. Patnaik Sir, Saroj Kanta Mishra Sir, Dean Academics, Dr. Bijin Bihari Mishra Sir, Dean Research,
Well, now it's the time for the welcome song. Enjoy.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुरवे गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि पुष्पगुल्पाय गन्धमत्याय गोलप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय गणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय गणेशाय धीमहि
Well, thank you to the choir for providing such a beautiful music. So before we start any further, I would request our esteemed guest to inaugurate the Zygon by lighting the lamps.
May I now request Professor Dr. R.K. Patnaik sir, our director, Dr. Saroj Kanta Mishra sir, our Dean Academics, Dr. Bijan Bihari Mishra sir, our Dean Research, Professor Bodhisattva Das sir, and Mr. Arun Subudhi, our General Secretary, to come up and light the lamp.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय नृत्यम अमृतं गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति
Om, lead us from unreality of transitory existence to the reality of the eternal self. Lead us from the darkness of ignorance to the light of spiritual knowledge. Lead us from the fear of death to the knowledge of immortality. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
This is true prayer, the seeker's admission of the sense of limitedness and his heartfelt cry for assistance in transcendence. The essence of this mantra is, O Guru, help me free myself from my sundry misunderstandings regarding myself, the universe, and God, and bless me with true knowledge.
Thank you, sir.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to listen to the thought of one of the great minds among us.
He did his MSc in mathematics from Allahabad University in 1964, after which he started teaching in REC Raulkela, presently known as NIT, from 1964 to 1970.
After this, he went to New York State University in Stony Brook, USA to do his PhD in pure mathematics. He also taught there for a year.
In 1975, he joined BITS Pilani and was the Dean Academics when he left in 2002. This is when he joined ICFI Tech Bhubaneswar as director till 2006.
Then, he was the Pro Vice Chancellor of ICFI University, Tripura in 2007 and consequently the Vice Chancellor of from 2007 to 2012.
After this, in April 2012, he joined Silicon Institute of Technology and has been guide and blessing in a culture of increased knowledge and learning.
He has also published 2 books and research publication in national and international fora. On this note, I would like to request Professor Dr. Rabindra Kumar Patnaik sir to please speak a few words of inspiration and inaugurate Zygon. Please, sir.
Thank you. Good evening to you all. My faculty colleagues, dear students, participants, staff members, I welcome you all to this Zygon 2014, the annual cultural festival. I'm not going to give you any lecture because this is the evening of music, dance and enjoyment. So I declare this annual cultural festival, Zygon 2014 open. I want all of you to enjoy. I wish Zygon 2014 a grand success. Enjoy, enjoy and enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's said that wisdom and experience are companion of age and time.
However, innovation, enthusiasm, and zeal are attributes of the young, and RGS is such a person who confirms this with the definition of youth.
An outstanding example of a bright young leader who efficiently balances administration and academics.
I am delighted to beckon him to the dais to speak on behalf of the Silicon Student Council.
Please welcome Mr. Arun Subudhi, the General Secretary of the Students' Council.
Thank you, Shivangi. Good evening, Silicon. I, Arun Kumar Subudhi, as the Secretary General of Silicon Student Council, welcome our respected trustee members, Director Sir, Dean Sir, Management Authority, faculty members, and all my dear friends. I welcome you all to the annual extravaganza of Silicon Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, that is Zygon 2014. We participated in the Tech Fest Noises 2K14 with goodwill and the right spirit in the last 2 days, which will even continue tomorrow. It is the battle between the talents of different students of different colleges of the state, which is just completely on the basis of performance. After all the skills, hard work, knowledge put on the field, it's now time for all of us to show our talent in the field of music, dance on the stage. So let's celebrate the annual function Zygon 2000. Before that, I would like to share some of my experience in the colleges that I've spent during these 4 years, which is starting from the day I joined the college on 16 August 2010. Speaking on behalf of all the students, I would like to say that we are always proud to be a part of this premier institute. We as students always gain knowledge and learn different skills with utmost discipline, which certainly will help us in reaching new heights in upcoming future. We promise that we will not only become good professionals in our life, but also will dedicate ourselves towards the social responsibilities that we are supposed to perform. Just sharing a few words about my experience. I joined Silicon in 2010. On the first year, on the second year, when I stand for the CR election, I lost it. But after that, I never feared, because I always believe what matters is fighting, whatever may be with the result. I won next 2 years council elections and became the Secretary General. These days passed in a flash, those 4 years. So finally coming to the end of my short and light speech, I would like to thank all my batchmates, Silicon Student Council members, Mr. Biswajit Baral sir, our faculty in charge of Silicon Student Council, Bodhisattva sir, Subhakant sir, Swai sir, and all the supporting staffs for supporting me to make the event successful in those coming 2 days. Thank you all.
Thank you, Arun, for the annual report. Now, with your due permission, we part.
Next, we would like to call Anuj and Rohit to take this evening further. Thank you all.
Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani. शुभ संध्या सिलिकॉन मु रोहित आ मु अनुज आपण मानको स्वागत करूछु जाइगन 2014 रो प्रथम संध्या को
ओडिशा ओड मानक देश ओडिशा यार इतिहास जति पुराना सेति की महान यार संस्कृति निजर स्वतंत्र कला साहित्य और परंपरा को नहीं ओडिशा सृष्टि करिछि तार स्वतंत्र परिचय
कुमार पूर्णिमा रे कुंवारी मानकर मनमताणा गीत हेउ अबा पहली रजर पोड़ पिठा हेउ भागवत टुंगी रे भागवतर चर्चा हेउ अबा प्रभु श्री जगन्नाथंकर पतित पावन नेत हेउ ए सब भरी दिए ओडिया संस्कृति रे एक कस्तूरी महक
ସେହିପରି ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ଏହା କେବଳ ନୃତ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ, ଏହା ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ପ୍ରାଣ।
ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ନୃତ୍ୟ ଏହାର ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଭାବ ଭଙ୍ଗୀ ଏବଂ ଅଭିନୟ ଏହା କହିଦିଏ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମାଟିକୁ ମଧୁମୟ। ଓଡ଼ିଶୀର ନୃତ୍ୟ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠିତ ଏବଂ ଭାରତନାଟ୍ୟମ କଥକ ଏବଂ କୁଚିପୁଡ଼ି ପରି ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ନୃତ୍ୟ ଭାରତକୁ କରିଛି ଗୌରବାନ୍ୱିତ। ଗୁରୁ କେଳୁଚରଣ ମହାପାତ୍ରଙ୍କର ନୃତ୍ୟ ଅଭିନୟ ହେଉ ଅବା ସଂଯୁକ୍ତା ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀଙ୍କର ଘୁଙ୍ଗୁରର ରୁଣୁଝୁଣୁ ଶବ୍ଦ ହେଉ, ଏସବୁ କରିଦିଏ ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ନୃତ୍ୟକୁ ସୁଗନ୍ଧମୟ।
ମଙ୍ଗଳାଚରଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶୀର ଏକ ଅବଚ୍ଛେଦ ଅଙ୍ଗ।
ଏହି ମଙ୍ଗଳାଚରଣରେ ଦେବୀ ସ୍ତୁତି ଏକ ସାରାଂଶ। ଏହିପରି ଏକ ମଙ୍ଗଳାଚରଣକୁ ନେଇ ଏଠାରେ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହେବ ଏକ କଳାର କୋଣାର୍କ। ଏହି ମଞ୍ଚରେ
ଏହି ନୃତ୍ୟକୁ ପରିବେଷଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଆମନ୍ତ୍ରିତ କରିବା ଅନୁଭା, ଗାୟତ୍ରୀ, ରିୟା ଓ ସୁଚିସ୍ମିତାଙ୍କୁ।
ତାଳ ଏକତାଳି ନୃତ୍ୟ ମଙ୍ଗଳାଚରଣ।
कदाचित् कालिन्दे तटविपिन सङ्गीत करवो मुदा भीरे नारी वदन कमला स्वाद मधुप रमा शम्भो ब्रह्मा अमरपति गणेशार्चित पदो जगन्नाथ